Good morning, friend. Hope you are all fine. Now, today's topic is about how to set up Firebase in our project, Flutter project, or how we can integrate Firebase in our Flutter project. So, first of all, we should know what is Firebase. Firebase is a database provided by the Google. uh, f- there are many benefits of Firebase. For example, Firebase provides the real-time database in organized way, and Firebase is a cloud-based database, and it provides notifications, free notifications, you can say, uh, and many other features like free hosting, free storage, and much more. I think I should uh, visit you with this website Firebase. You can check here Firebase Live, Firebase for Android, for iOS, and for web, for the Unity to upload and host the games, for the C++. Okay, and these are the functions of Firebase provided by the Googles. You can check from this website. Okay, now in this video we will set up the Firebase in our Flutter app. So how you can set up? Just go to this website. I will provide you the link below. Okay, what you will do, just go to your project and first go to the firebase.com. Firebase.com, let's see. Okay, open the firebase.com and add a new project here. What will be the name of your app? Let's say hello Flutter. Okay, now click continue and continue analytics, default. Okay, we will in this video we will just set up the project. In the next video we will see how we can upload the data and retrieve the data, and many more things like push notifications and other features which Firebase provide to developers. Now click the continue and you will see here, just go to Android. First we will do for Android. Now register your app. First you have to add the package name of your uh, app. Okay, where will you find the package name? Go to Android, and go to app source, uh, main, and then manifest. Now here is the package name of your app. Just go to the Firebase and paste here and click register, and now it will give you a JSON file. If you don't know the JSON file, I will provide you the link about what is the JSON file. Now just copy it. Here is the JSON file, and go to your project. uh, in the app directory, in from Android, in the app directory, just paste it. Sorry, I think I this is not copied. Let me copy it. uh, Copy. Okay, now give me the paste option. Let it drag. Okay, okay, now here is the JSON file. Now let me check, and I want to paste here in this Android. Okay, uh, we should rename this file. Let me rename because uh, in my folder I have two JSON file, so this is the original name of the file. Okay, now what you will do, go to the website I have told you, next, and copy this class path. And what you will do here, class path, again you can check from the website. I will provide you the link. Okay, now register the app. We have completed the first setup. Now download the JSON file. We will have download it. Now adding the Firebase SDK class path. Now we will now update the our Gradle component, including the so we open Android build Gradle. You have to check here. uh, Let me go to the Android. Where is Android? And let me see. Build Gradle. Okay. Build Gradle. Here is the class path. You can check from the website. Now just paste the file you have downloaded. Sorry, dependencies. You have just download it. Flutter app. Uh, where is the next dependency? Let me check. Implement. You can implement this for the analytics, and also you have to copy this, copy and paste at the bottom. And now the last thing you will do, go to your pubspec.yml file uh, and check for the dependencies. Where are the dependencies? Here, just add letters are in, we should write this small letter. Okay, now we have successfully added the Firebase to our app. In the next video we will see how we can upload the data to Firebase and retrieve the data or image, you can say the text files. Packages are also get it. So hope you have follow my video, and do subscribe if you like my channel. Thank you.